Welcome back to Aaron's Island Adventures. Today it's a bit chilly out, so we're staying off the water. We're gonna go do some fishing. Hopefully all goes well and we can catch something. We'll see. It is 47 degrees today with winds between 15 and 22 miles an hour. Not a good day to paddle, so I'm going to pick up my buddy Chad right now and see what we can get into. There he is. There's the man and the pup. What's up, Chad?
Hey, brother. Good to see you, man.
Good to see you.
How are you?
This is Chadillac
What's up, guys?
right here, the man who taught me how to fish. So we're gonna go
man.
try to catch something on this
Aaron
cold
teaching
day.
me how to play, so it's a mutual friendship. So I'm going to demonstrate how to tie the FG knot. Hopefully you can see the two lines I have here. This is I think it's a 40-pound spider wire braid, and I've got a 30-pound fluorocarbon leader here. First thing you want to do is make sure that you have your rod nice and tight so you can keep the line tight, because you're going to end up biting the braid and then braiding the fluoro onto your braided line. So here's how I do it. And as you can tell here, the braided pattern basically has woven this braided line onto this fluorocarbon here. So I'm going to demonstrate how you tie a circle knot onto, in this case, my Spooltech swim bait. It's a great knot for using heavy leader, like 60 pound on up. This is a great knot. It'll still hold its knot. It won't try to untie on you. So you'll just go through the eye of your bait, pull it on through, start from underneath your line, and bring it around and over and form a circle. One, go underneath again, 2 circles, third and final time, 3 circles. Notice right here I've never really let go with my left hand. At this point you'll take your end here and flip it around and over the 3 and through the 3 circles that you've got. Should look like that. I'll use a little bit of saliva to get it wet so that it doesn't burn your line. Then pull it, let the knot form, and then let it slide down. I like this knot because it points your tag end away from your bait.
Alright, no luck fishing over here. Just catching cold. That's about it. Where are we going, Chad?
We're going to check out Minnesota Key right now. Maybe head down to Middle Beach, see what the water conditions are like down there. I haven't been in months. I don't think you've been in
Oh, it's been years.
Yeah. So we're going to go check that out. Right now we're crossing Tom Adams Bridge in Inglewood, Florida. Nice choppy, terrible day in Florida here, you know. Oh boy, all the snow, and you know, our snow is white caps when we get wind.
half price.
Yeah, his very first pull ever.
Good job.
Here we go for the race. Oh, you're in.
So I guess that's that. That's why they call it fishing and not catching. So today we didn't have too much luck catching anything, but we still had a great time. Hopefully, next time we go out, we can put some more fish on the video for you. But I still hope you enjoyed, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, this weekend I'll be going to Hogan Key and doing a 3-day, 2-night camp out, primitive camping out there on the island. So hopefully I'll get some good footage from that and make another video for you. So once again, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next adventure.